Hello, I'm Darielle Snipes with the CMSD News Bureau. Welcome to CMSD 360, a look at news happening around the district for the week of January 23rd. Throughout this week, CMSD's 2,400 8th graders will take turns attending a high school choice fair at East Professional Center. They will learn about CMSD's many high school options and speak with representatives from those high schools. On Wednesday, students and their families can attend the fair from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. Now, if you are unable to attend this high school choice fair, the second choice fair for families will be on Wednesday, February 9th at the John Marshall campus from 5:30 to 7:30 p.m. The school choice portal is open for selection of high schools. This is a great opportunity for 8th graders and their families to choose a high school for the next school year. Students who will be new to the district next fall can also pick a high school at this time, along with those who are seeking to transfer to another CMSD high school. CMSD allows families to choose the school students attend if space is available, and in a few cases, the students meet admission criteria. For more information or to choose a high school, be sure to go to choosecmsd.org. The portal will close for the first round of high school choice on February 18th. Applying by that date will increase families' chances of getting their top choice. The Board of Education will hold its monthly business meeting on Tuesday, January 25th at John F. Kennedy High School, located at 15111 Miles Avenue. The meeting will begin at 6:30 p.m. And don't forget to show your appreciation to each of our board members this month, as January is School Board Recognition Month. Each of our Board of Education members volunteers their time and works tirelessly to establish policies and practices to improve our students' academic careers. And for that, we thank them. Nominations are open for the latest round of CMSD Heart Champions. This honor is for those educators who are taking the extra steps to improve the customer experience for our students, parents, visitors, and their fellow educators. To nominate a CMSD employee, head to the district website at clevelandmetroschools.org, then click on the Staff drop-down tab and scroll down to the Communicate with Heart link to find the nomination form. The nominations will close on Tuesday, January 25th. Turning to sports, the Senate Athletic League bowling playoffs will be on Monday, January 24th, starting at 3 in the afternoon. The winners of the playoffs will then head to the bowling championship on Thursday, January 27th at 3 p.m. Both events will be held at Roll House in Brook Park. Senate Live will stream the Campus International versus Max Hayes boys basketball game on Monday, January 24th, and the John Hay versus Glenville boys basketball game on Tuesday, January 25th. Both games will start at 7 p.m., and you can catch all the action at senatelive.com. For a full schedule of the boys and girls basketball, swimming, and wrestling, head to clevelandmetroschools.org/Senate League. A class of 3rd graders at Newton D. Baker School will receive a special treat on Tuesday. For exceeding an attendance goal for the month of December, they will receive lunch from Arby's, a Stay in the Game t-shirt, and a Browns mask. These are pictures of other students who enjoyed an Arby's lunch for improved attendance. We would like to thank our community partners, the Cleveland Browns Foundation, the Arby's Foundation, and Arby's for their efforts to help reduce chronic absenteeism at CMSD, and for making sure our students stay in the game, keep learning every day. Looking ahead, parent-teacher conferences are scheduled for pre-K through 8 schools on Wednesday, February 2nd, and for high schools on Thursday, February 3rd. There will be no school for students on those respective days. Conferences will occur from 12:30 to 7 p.m. Parents and caregivers should contact their child's teacher to schedule a conference. Well, did you know that CMSD has an app? Well, you can download it wherever you get your apps, and information about CMSD will be at your fingertips. Well, thanks for watching CMSD 360. Remember to stay connected with what's happening around the district by following CMSD on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a great and productive week.